Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen CR35 Crafter Trendline. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and also features the high roof. This Crafter comes with a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 140 PS and comes equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission. This Crafter is finished in the metallic paint colour Reflex Silver, and let's explore some of the exterior features. Across the front of the vehicle there is a chrome stripe above the radiator grille, and the van comes with a part coloured front bumper, complete with front parking sensors. The van sits on the 16-inch steel wheels with the 20-hole design. There is also a full-size steel spare provided as well. Moving to the rear of the van, dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors, working with the front ones, allowing you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. This van comes with the rear wing doors with the 270-degree hinges, which proves useful in a variety of different situations when loading and unloading the vehicle. The rear load area of the van comes in a factory fresh condition and comes with a hardened wooden flooring along with multiple lashing points dotted along said flooring. With the high roof there is plenty of room to stand up in. The van also comes with a full steel black bulkhead along with a few yellow grab handles. The van also comes with a single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Up front in the driver's cab or cockpit there is some overhead storage with 2 1-din slots, and down below there is a single seat with a single armrest for the driver, a twin-seater passenger bench. All chairs are finished in the Austin cloth upholstery. The middle seat also functions as an armrest along with 2 drinks holders. There is plenty of leg space for the front passenger as well as the driver, along with some excellent creature comforts such as 2 front heated seats, 12-volt and 2 USB-C outlets. The driver and passengers also have access to a 6.5 colour touchscreen multimedia system, along with a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel for the driver. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.